So I've been called to a customer's house today because all their electricity has gone off. Everything, it's just gone off. Well, to start with, I can see your lights are on. But no worries, I get it. You've got the RCDs tripped. So on a split load board, what you want to do, knock all these off and reset the RCD and go through one by one. Whoa! Kitchen sockets. Just double check. All back on. Cooker's on. Kitchen sockets. So then this is where you put your inspector hat on. Has that always been there, love? Have a little look, top of the cupboards. You've had a leak. With your old Chinese boxes that you shove on top of the cupboard. Oh. It's collected the water inside the tub. Yeah. That's more than likely your fault. So that's it, we'll replace the socket, check the wiring and fix that socket in a normal place. Go back and reset that RCD. And we're back on. So that's the electric back on and all working. But does anyone know a good plumber?